In this video, I'm going to share some important sites that every computer science student, computer science geek, or even any tech geek should know. So if you are any one of them, make sure to watch this video till the end, because these websites is going to be with you for your entire CS journey. So let's start. So whatever website I'm going to talk about is full of resources. And what type of resources are there? So see, in your computer science journey, whatever you will need, like any type of resources, or suppose you want to do any course, or suppose you want to practice questions of competitive programming, or suppose you want to learn some concepts or any programming language, and suppose if you want to prepare for interview or job, then all the resources whatever you will require, you will find there. And these sites already, you can say 80 to 90% developers, software engineers, even computer science students are already using, and many of them you already might be knowing, because these are very popular sites in computer science world. So I'm going to tell about these sites one by one. And remember, you can use this website to practice your DSA questions, to learn programming, to learn any tech concepts, to read blogs about any particular technology, and to be updated what's actually going on in industries, and even to participate in hackathons or ideathons or some competitive stuff that are going globally. So now let me tell you one by one these websites. So the first website is LeetCode. Here you will find a lot of questions to practice, and where you can build a great portfolio by solving a lot of easy, hard or medium questions. Number 2, HackerRank. HackerRank is also same as LeetCode, but here you will find a lot of learning materials. And one story of mine is when I started practicing questions, then I started coding on this HackerRank only, because on HackerRank I was learning C++, and in C++ on HackerRank still I am a 4-star coder. Third is Geeks for Geeks. Here also you can find a lot of questions and practice materials, but in spite of that, here you will find a lot of blogs, articles on various technologies. Fourth, CodeChef. This website, and there is one more, Codeforces. This two website is very famous for competitive programming. Here a lot of competitive programmers come to compete from globally, and in these two platforms a lot of contests are going on related to coding. There are weekly contests, monthly contests, and in those contests you will see a lot of good prizes are there. If your rank is good globally, you can be called from HR also directly. Next is HackerEarth. It's the same as HackerRank, but slightly there are differences, but mostly are all defined for same purpose. These are some platforms which are very famous, and many of them you might be knowing already, but whoever don't know, whoever just entering in computer science world, you must know these platforms and just save it in your browser, because these platforms are going to be with you for your entire CS journey. Whatever platform I mentioned here, I'll give link in the description box, so make sure to check it out. So that's it for this video. This was just a small video. I just want to share these resources to whoever don't know about these platforms. Just go and check out these platforms. And if you know any other websites, any other platform that will be useful for students, make sure to comment below. And if this video was helpful to you, make sure to press that like button. Until next time, keep building and keep exploring.